We're talking now about the attack on the note. If you allow your diaphragm to draw the note naturally, you get something which sounds like this. The start to the note is gentle. Smooth, but you can also use the tongue up against the roof of the mouth to act like a gate. It's a different sound. Again, the diaphragm. The gentle start to the note, or the tongue tap. You could mix them. A mix of the tongue tap and driving the note by diaphragm. Which is better? That depends on your concept of the artistic interpretation of the piece. Suppose you're doing something where it's like Gabriel's oboe and the notes are quite quick in the beginning. You're not going to have time to do a tongue tap there. So it has to be driven. The move to the new note hole position cuts off the air. That's another thing, isn't it? A quick movement cuts the air off and approaches the clarity. Tongue tap. As the air is cut off by the lip moving to a new position. It again gives you something which is evocative of a tongue tap, but it's not a tongue tap. So move into new hole position. That can cut the air and create something like a tongue tap, the tongue tap, or diaphragm. One more time, diaphragm. Now, tongue taps. Now, the cut of moving to new note hole positions. Each has its own distinct sound, feel, and flavor. Thus, the various approaches to the attack on the note. There are other attacks on the note, such as larynx glottis, but I don't mess with